Your deck fittings for your water fill and your waste pump out are located on the port gunnel under a small fiberglass hatch. To access the water and waste deck plates, you'll lift up on the fiberglass hatch, then you'll see your water's forward and your waste fitting is in the after position. To open the water cap, you'll press the center of the cap and allow the small handle to flip up. You'll next turn it counterclockwise and lift the cap out. Now your water tank is ready to be filled. Once you've filled your water tank, you'll be ready to replace the cap. To replace the cap, you'll insert it into the deck fitting and then turn it so that the red arrows line up. Your waste fitting is located just aft of the water fill. To open it, you'll press the center of the cap and then spin it out. This is a threaded cap, so you'll have to spin it all the way out and then put it somewhere safe because there's not a chain to hold it. Now you're ready to have your waste tank pumped. Generally, a marina will have a tapered hose that fits down into the fill, and that will create a vacuum and evacuate the contents of the tank. Once that process is completed, you'll spin the cap back into the deck fitting. Tighten it, and now you're ready to close the hatch till the next time you fill the water tank or pump the waste tank. This is our freshwater flushing system for the engines. It's located in the aft starboard corner of the aft cockpit. You'll first open the door, then you'll see a hose connection. First step is to remove the plug that's in the hose connection. You'll insert a garden hose into this fitting here. Once it's connected to the garden hose, you will select which engine you'd like to flush first. For instance, if you'd like to do the starboard engine, you'll turn the selector valve to starboard. It's a good idea to let the water run long enough while flushing the motor so that the water coming out is as cold as the water going in. You'll want to return the valve to the off position. Once you've done that, you'll turn off the water supply from the dock and then remove the garden hose from the receptacle in the bottom of the flush box. After you've done that, be sure to replace the black cap into the hose receptacle. Now your engines have been flushed.